Do you want to protect your family's health and potentially add years to their lives? What if I told you that some of the most harmful things impacting your health are hiding in plain sight? Today, we're exploring the first steps to creating a safer, healthier environment for your loved ones. Stick around to learn the surprising items you must remove from your home starting today. We often focus on what we should add to our lives for better health, like eating more vegetables or exercising more. But sometimes the key to thriving is knowing what to remove. Believe it or not, certain products in your home may be sabotaging your family's health. These seemingly innocent items, from the water you drink to the air you breathe, could expose you to harmful chemicals, toxins, and inflammatory substances. So, let's eliminate the bad so your family can live their best, healthiest lives. First up, your water. Did you know that most tap water contains contaminants like chlorine, fluoride, lead, and even pharmaceuticals? Over time, exposure to these can impact your kidneys, nervous system, and hormone levels. The solution? Purchase or install a reverse osmosis water filtration system. These remove up to 99% of contaminants, leaving you with clean water. So let's discuss what they do for you. They eliminate harmful chemicals and protect against chlorine, lead, arsenic, and more. The next great reason to add a reverse osmosis filter is the improved taste. Makes your water taste fresher and more enjoyable, and trust me when I say this, your coffee will taste better too. And reason number 3, and most importantly, it supports better health. It reduces the toxic load on your body. Pure drinking water is a basic need, and providing it for your family is one of the best health investments you can make. Did you think drinking water is the only concern? Well, sorry, think again. Every time you take a hot shower, you're inhaling chlorine gas released from the steam. Chlorine is a known irritant to the skin, lungs, and eyes, disrupting your body's microbiome. A shower filter is an easy fix. It removes chlorine, chloramines, and other harmful chemicals, protecting your skin and respiratory system. Plus, your hair and skin will feel softer and healthier. If you're finding this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any critical health news. Next on the list, toss out those fresh-smelling air fresheners, candles, and cleaning products that are not made with essential oils. Those products are loaded with chemicals like phthalates and formaldehyde, which are linked to hormone disruption, respiratory issues, and even cancer. Instead, opt for natural products made from essential oils. For example, lavender essential oil smells amazing and promotes relaxation. Making this switch reduces your family's exposure to unnecessary toxins. Here's a very important fact for you to remember. The air inside your home can be up to 5 times more polluted than the outdoor air. Dust, mold, volatile organic compounds or VOCs, and allergens all circulate, especially in enclosed spaces like bedrooms. Poor air quality contributes to allergies, asthma, and long-term respiratory issues. An air purifier with a HEPA filter in each sleeping area can make a huge difference. When your body regenerates at night, the air cleaner will allow for better sleep, improved respiratory health, and less inflammation. I'm pretty sure everyone knows by now that sugar is not great, but it's worse than you might think. Excessive sugar intake leads to inflammation, weight gain, diabetes, and even an increased risk of heart disease. Moreover, sugar feeds harmful gut bacteria, disrupting digestion and weakening your immune system. Start by eliminating obvious sources like sugary drinks, candies, and processed desserts. Then you can tackle items that have the hidden sugars in them like ketchup, salad dressing, and healthy granola bars. Focus on natural sweeteners in moderation like raw honey or monk fruit if you need a touch of sweetness. The next item on our list to remove from your home are seed oils like vegetable, canola, soybean, corn, and sunflower oils. They are marketed as healthy, but they are anything but. These oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids, which can create an imbalance in your body, leading to chronic inflammation, a major factor in heart disease, obesity, and even autoimmune disorders. Please remember, all fries, chicken, and fish fried at fast food places are cooked in these oils, which are bad for your health, and sometimes they are reused for weeks before being replaced. Instead, you can cook with healthier fats like extra virgin olive oil, avocado, or coconut oil. Consider using grass-fed butter or ghee for rich, flavorful, and nutritious options. Okay, let's recap what we've covered today. Number 1, filter your drinking water with a reverse osmosis system. These come in countertop or under the sink models. Number 2, add a shower filter to protect against chlorine and other toxins while you shower. Number 3, please remove toxic scented products that are not made from essential oils. These could include air freshener sprays, laundry detergent, laundry sheets, shampoo for your carpets, and scented candles. Number 4, invest in air filtration systems to improve your family's air quality in the bedroom. Number 5, cut back on sugar for better overall health. Say goodbye to harmful seed oils and embrace healthy fats. Every one of these steps to eliminate these harmful items will drastically improve your family's health. This is just the beginning of a series, and thank you so much for watching part 1. There is a lot more that I'm going to uncover for you. Please do me a favor and comment below and let me know which steps you're going to start to improve your family's health. Together, we're turning our homes into safe havens for our families. Until next time, I will see you in the next video.